This is the video tutorial dedicated to help you with getting rid of the malicious pop-ups by the website theactive.com. Theactive.com is a dangerous site. It targets Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you basically download and install certain potentially unwanted software. If you ever see these pop-ups by theactive.com, do not tolerate them. Such pop-ups are absolutely fake and obviously deceptive, so you should not trust whatever they tell you. Just leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software using the green download button, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will definitely help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other types of infections which could still possibly stealthily remain on your device. So use Combo Cleaner to get your system fixed. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.